Hello, this is Jennifer Steckel from the Direwolf. Hello, this is Jennifer Steckel from the Direwolf Project. It's great to see you again. In today's video, we're going to talk about all the different things we're doing with the 3 puppy litters that we have available at the Direwolf Project this fall. Don't forget to stay till the end for your free gift. We'll see you there. So today I'm going to introduce the puppies to a Squeaky toy. It sounds like this. You want to play, don't you? You don't play. You don't play. Vegan. Yeah, you're gonna bark at that? This is little Pumpkin Patch. He is the wolfiest looking puppy in this litter because his ears have already gone up and he has a wolf mask. You can see how light it's getting right here. And he's got a beautiful silver wolf gray coat. Let's turn you over. We'll do the upside down thing. Oh, hi. And when we do upside down, it's an uncomfortable position. But I can make it better by interacting with the puppy. Yes, I can. And we can say hi. When we're upside down. Yes, we can. And I can gaze into your eyes. And we can see each other up close. Yeah, he smells my breath. That tells him a lot of information about me. Right to it. What do you think? You want to get back up? Okay. Let's practice our ears and our feet. Practice our ears. He's got nice up ears, doesn't he? Nice small up ears. You want to pick your feet? Look at all your feet. How about that? How about the back feet too? Sometimes they don't remember that they have back feet. The back feet just do what the front feet do. Okay. All right, little pumpkin. You're a cutie. We'll keep you, okay? You tell Daddy we'll keep you. You're cute. This is Apple Cider. She's the littlest puppy in the litter. She's tiny. Just like her brother with the yellow collar. Apple Cider. She's a silver color with a black mask. And it looks like her ears are going to stay down. She's got a little small head and a silver coat. Let's turn you over. You go hide. Oh, she's got bright yellow eyes. Hi. And she looks right in my eyes. She knows who I am. Oh, she's a sweetheart. Are you gonna go to sleep? She loves tummy rubs. That's her favorite, huh? You love tummy rubs. That's her favorite? So sweet. Yeah. Little apple cider. She's a sweetheart. She loves snuggling and being with you, and she's very smart. She's gonna go to sleep. Look at this big tummy. They've been eating. Oh my goodness, she's going to sleep. What a sweetheart. Oh my goodness. How can you resist that? Okay, well, I guess that's it for you. Oh, it's done. You're sleeping. Sleeping. Oh, cute baby. I cute baby. Let's look at your mouth. Oh, just look inside your mouth. Oh, good girl. Very good girl. Look at yours. Good job on your ears. And your toes. You touch all your toes, huh? You got back feet too. Did you know that? Yeah. Look at your back feet. Look at all your back feet. Okay, little girl. All done. This little baby is Harvest Moon. Harvest Moon is the littlest male in this little litter. He's a tiny little baby. Yeah. He's going to a family who owns a barbette, and he's gonna enjoy his new life. Yeah. Treat. Yeah. You're a happy boy, aren't ya? Yeah. Good boy. So we turn him over. Yes, we do. And we get to sit with them. Make sure that they're not running off. Are you getting me too? Sometimes. Okay. Make sure they're sitting nice in lap therapy. Yes, which he is. And we touch them all over inside their ears. Yeah. And we open their mouth to see their mouth. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, happy. Open their mouth up. Way to go, baby. And we hold their paws. Yeah. This gets them used to being touched and held and being with people. Yeah, that's right. Touch your tail. You get this side. Oh, you got a full tummy, don't ya? You got a full tummy. Yeah. Good boy. Oh, good boy. It's always nice for them to smell our breath too, because there's a lot of hormones and stuff inside. You can get to know us very well, huh? Right. Yeah. So cute. Let's go upside down one more time. Yeah. In this litter particularly, we need to go slow and methodical, because this litter can get some energy. But these guys also need to know how to relax. Yes, they do. sweetheart. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Have you been sleeping today? Hello. You got something on your nose. You got something on your nose. Did you yell at me? Hi. Oh, you get kisses? You get some good kisses? You're cute. Okay, let's go upside down. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. You're gonna yawn at me, baby? He's got bright yellow eyes too. Hi. Hi. What are you doing now, you cutie? You like to put things in your mouth? Just like your grandpa? Your grandpa liked that too. Yes, he did. What a good boy. What a good boy. Okay, let's sit back up. Let's check your mouth. You gotta check your teeth. Yes, you do. So you can check your teeth. Yeah, boy. Check your feet. You don't like me touch your feet? He just wants to put my fingers in his mouth. You hungry? Give me this paw. Give me this paw. You. Give me this paw. It's good to remember that all puppies bite. It just so happens that this guy wants my fingers. Huh, you do. But all puppies bite. That's just something they do with their siblings, and they want to think that you're part of the pack, so they bite you too. You playing? Okay, well. Oh, you gonna play? Are you playing? Are you playing? Sweet. Oh, you're very sweet. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. I love you too. Yes, I do. Did we check your ears? Oh, you're gonna get that? Give me that. Okay, bye-bye, black licorice. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you, he's the largest male in this litter. He's a big guy for the little guys. This is a small litter, but he's a pretty big guy. His ears don't look like they're coming up, though. They look like they might stay down. Okay. This is orange collar male, Black Raven. Look at Black Raven already has his ears up. Look at you. And you got a nice big white chest. Oh, he's pretty. And he's got bright yellow eyes. Let's turn you over and see how you do, buddy. Oh, well, you got a big tummy, don't ya? Yes, you do. If he tries to get up, we just help him stay down. Yeah, good boy. Okay, you stay right here. That's right. Good. Touch the paws. Hi. You getting worried? Don't get worried. You got my hair. You back. Anything good feedback? Okay. Come like that. Okay. Let's get your feet. Get your feet. You touch your ears. We touch your bottom feet. Look at, he's got a little white spot on his left bottom foot. How cute. You got a big tummy? Yes, we do. Yes, I do. Okay. Let's look inside your mouth. Cool. Inside and inside. Ah. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you. This is Farmer in the Dell, brown collar male. And you can see right now his ears are starting to lift up. So we anticipate that his ears will go up. Let's turn you over. He's a silver male with a black mask. You can lift your toes up all the way. Are you sleepy too? Are you sleepy too? Hi. This is a really great way to just get some intimacy with the puppies. Okay. Puppies are learning to relate. Oh, there you go. Yeah, just relax, buddy. Yeah. That's right. Get your tummy. There you go, just relax. There you go, good boy. There you go. Yeah, just let go. There you go. Yeah, good boy. Oh, your tummy growled. Your tummy grumbled. Oh, silly. Let me just tell you, got somebody on your tail. Where you need to go? Okay, there we go. Let's check your ears and your teeth. You got teeth in now? Let's see your ears. See your teeth. Yeah, boy, you got baby teeth. You got baby teeth, don't ya? Yes, you do. Okay, we touch all our paws. Making sure they don't have a problem with that. You got something in your paw, buddy. Let me get that. Okay. Which one? Sometimes dogs don't really know that they have back feet either, so you gotta. They can touch the back feet too. On their tails. Let's turn you over one more time. There you go. There you go. There you go. We'll practice this one, huh? You just gotta learn how to relax though, buddy. Yeah? Wait. Okay, here we go. Alright, all done. Farmer and Adele. This is Catalina. Catalina is a giant female with feathering. She's gonna have a long coat with feathering. All of this is gonna be really fine hair. It's gonna need some grooming. She's gonna be in between her paws. She'll also have long coat. And then we turn over. But look at her nice fluffy tail. Look at that beautiful fluffy tail you got. Yes, you have a beautiful tail. Yes, you do. Yeah. Don't play with your father. This is Barracuda, the purple collar female from the muscle car litter. She's not as big as her sister with the pink collar, but she's the same color, and she has the same feathering, the same type of coat. So she's gonna have feathering all along the back of her ears and on inside of her toes and that. So she's gonna need to be brushed. Barracuda. Hi. You little girl. What are you doing? You pretty good? Yeah. She also might have furnishings, which would be right here on the muzzle. Little pieces of longer hair on the muzzle. She's cute. Are you cute? Yes, you are. Hi, Camaro. Come and see me. Come and see me, Camaro. You good boy? Let's see your face. This is Camaro. He's a beautiful boy. This, ow. My sock. This is ancient domino color or a white face, much like the Alaskan Malamute. Yeah. And that white coloring also seems to lighten up the entire coat. And instead of a dark silver, you see a light silver. And you can kind of see that little bit of black coming in back there. But this is Camaro. He's a big boy, aren't ya? This is orange collar male, Monza. He is also a ancient domino mask or a white mask, just like the Alaskan Malamutes and the Huskies. And he has light silver coat with a black coming down the back. Very pretty. This puppy has no furnishings and no feathering, so he's gonna have more of a wolfy looking coat and be easier to manage in the snow and not need as much grooming. This guy. Hi. You the boy, huh? This is red collar female named Shelby. Shelby has a black mask with a white stripe and a silver coloring. She also has a little white spot on her back. Right there on her. Shelby is has no furnishings and no feathering, so her coat is going to be easy to manage. Yes, and I love her little white paws. They are so cute. She's a sweetheart. In fact, today she accidentally stepped on my phone and called one of my friends. Did you tell them all about your day today? You did? Did you tell them all about your day today? Playing with your friends? Did you do that? You did go so. You're so cute. This is Corvette or light blue collar puppy from the muscle car litter, and she is the littlest puppy in this litter. She's a small female, so she'll probably reach around 95 pounds as an adult. And she also has the ancient domino color, the white mask, and the light silver wolf gray coat. So that produces that beautiful black stripe down the back. She has no furnishings and no feathering, so it's going to be easier for her in the snow and less grooming. Yes, you get that. Can you see me? Oh, hi. Oh, no. Yes, oh, Coco. Huh? She's thinking. You a thinker? Are you a thinker? Yeah. Buddy. Hi, Mustang. You good boy? Mustang Boss is also a giant male. He's the one we're going to keep in the breed to continue the line. He looks a lot like his grandfather, Essex. Very beautiful dog. He also has the ancient domino mask or the white mask, but in his case, he's got a dark color coming off the top of his muzzle. No, you don't get to get up. You have to wait your turn. Yes, you do. You have to wait your turn. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So you can kind of see on his muzzle that it's darker at the top right here, coming down. So it's going to look wolfier, but this actually is not a wolf trait. The white mask or the ancient domino is a trait coming from like the Alaskan Malamute that we put in the breed. The wolf trait is actually the wolf mask. So that we saw in the other litter, the harvest litter. But he will look wolfy as an adult. Hi, Challenger. Hello. My nose? Look, my nose. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello, my goodness. Ooh, I love you too, buddy. Are you a sweetheart? I love people. I love your friends. Look at Challenger's ears. They're going to go up. Challenger is actually a silver with a black mask, but you can't tell because he's a piebald, and all of that coloring is hidden over by this big white spotting he has all over his body. He's pretty, isn't he? He's a pretty boy. He also has black spots on his nose. Look how cute. It's very unique in the breed. We've never seen this color before. He's very cute. Yes, he is. Good boy, Challenger. You're a licker, huh? Yes, you are. This is green collar male Blackburn. Blackburn is all black. Do you have any white on your chest? Let's see. With a little patch on his chest, right there. Oh, cute. You're cute, aren't you? Yeah. He's pretty. You can give hugs? Oh, you get good hugs, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay, let's turn you over. What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. Hello. It's good to see you. You got big black bear paws, don't you? You got big black bear paws. Yes, you do. Yes, you do that. This is red collar female Sierra. Sierra Nevada has a wolf mask. It's one of the premier traits for the Direwolf project that we're working on perpetuating in the breed. And she also has a beautiful silver coat. And she has these cute white paws all the way up to her elbows. She's got that white stripe on her nose. This is a sweetheart. Come and see me. I think she even has some little white on her tail. Look at that. Come and see me, Sierra. Right. Come and see me. Come and see me. Come and see me. Oh, we snuggle? Are you snuggling? Snuggling? Oh, you're very sweet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Beautiful girl. Hi, Polar Bear. How are you today? This is Monty. He's the orange collar male. He has a beautiful, fluffy, long coat of white snow. Look at how pretty. Yes, he does. He's not as big as his brother Everest, but he is just so sweet with that white coat and that black polar bear nose. Yeah. His ears already have some lift to them, so it looks like they might go up. He's a cutie. Are you seeing me? When they're this little, which is just barely 4 weeks old, they have a harder time seeing with their eyes. So they probably still see blurry. Are you sleeping? Oh, you're sleeping. Yeah. You can go to sleep? You're so cute. Okay, this is purple collar female. She's a very beautiful dog. We thought she was all black at birth, but she's actually a dark silver. So all of this right here will lighten up as she gets older, and she'll have a lighter color coming in through here as well. You can already see her lightening up right in here on her head and behind her neck. So this is Denali from the purple collar. This is Denali, the purple collar female from the Mountain Peaks litter. Denali has a white chest. You see that? And a white spot right there on her tummy. And she has white paws with spots on them. Yes, you do. Oh, she's so sweet. Look how nice and calm she is. What a good girl. Are you gonna go and sleep there? Yeah, you gonna see me? Yeah, what a sweetheart. She's very smart. She likes to think about things. This is my big buddy Everest. Everest is the largest puppy we've ever birthed in history. He's a big guy. He has beautiful slanted eyes and a nice broad head. This puppy is a white puppy. Come here, Everest. Hi. Aren't you sweet? Are you having a good day today? Thank you. Thanks for showing yourself today. It's good to meet you. This is Elias, brown collar male from the Mountain Peaks litter. He is also a solid black. Hi, Elias. How are you? Let's see about you. Oh, yeah. He has a nice big broad head just like Everest. He's just not as big as Everest. He's a little guy. You got a little white on your chest too, don't you? You gotta stay right there. That's the wool. Stay right there, that's the wool. Can you see your white? It's very... There it is. There it is. Good boy, you got big bear paw too, huh? You got big black bear paw? This is blue collar male Lincoln from the Mountain Peaks litter. He's one of the 3 males that we're keeping in the litter, and he is a solid black. It's actually called a dominant black. It comes from the Labrador Retriever lines, and it's a dominant trait, so we see it 50-50. In some of our litters. So this guy right here is gonna be not as big as Everest, but he's also gonna be a giant. And he's got what are you gonna go sleep with? He's got pretty big bear paws too, don't ya? You got bear paws too? You got a little white on your chest. Are you gonna go to sleep now? Yes, it's time for babies to go to sleep now, huh? Yes, it is. This is yellow collar male Hamilton from the Mountain Peaks litter. This male was really interesting. I'll tell you a story. When he was born, first of all, he was the littlest puppy, very tiny. He's still the tiniest puppy in his litter. But Hamilton got pushed away from the milk bar with all the other puppies that were bigger than him. And so because he got pushed away, he didn't know how to suckle from his mom because he wasn't never allowed to. So I noticed this right away, and I made sure to have all the puppies kind of cornered off with my hands, and then I helped him find the nipple. And once he was able to do that, he realized what it was, and then he latched on by himself, and then you couldn't stop him from eating. So if we hadn't done that, I really think that Hamilton wouldn't have figured it out, because he's so soft and submissive, and he doesn't really fight for things. He's a real soft-hearted dog. And so, but once he figured it out, so he's very smart and intelligent, and once he figured it out, then it was no problem at all, and then he understood, and then he thrived. So that's this little guy. Even though he's tiny, he is just a sweetheart, very gentle and sweet, but also really smart, and when he learns, he doesn't forget. Hi. He's a solid black, like Stanley is, if you know one of our famous dogs, Stanley. Yes, he's a sweetheart, but he does have a little bit of white on his chest here. Oh, can you see? There we go. Hi, Hamilton. He might be tiny, but he sure is mighty. Yes, you are. Thank you for joining us today. It was great to have you with us. Like and subscribe, and then head on over to direwolfproject.com for your free gift and to sign up to our daily email newsletter, the only place where you can get daily regular updates about our litters and everything going on at the Direwolf Project. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi. What do you think? You coming to see me? You gonna come and see me? Yeah, come and see me, huh? Hi. Hello, how about you? Are you first? Hey, you pretty girl. Are you pretty girl? Ow, they're getting my shoe. You are first. Hi.
Oh, I don't know why we're calling Father Tom Kelly. Oh, you can eat me? He's sucking my finger. That's really funny. What are you doing? Are you hungry? I don't know if we should put that in.